What's up, automation engineers? Today in this video I'm going to pick a few questions from Cypress Test Automation Facebook group. If you're not a member, I'll put the link in the description. And let's start where I stopped from in the last video. So this is the first question. Does Cypress support software sessions? No, not by default, but that can be done. I found a solution on Stack Overflow. Actually, Chaturang asked me about this one. um, let's open the link. So this is the solution. I will create a new video about this one, but this is kind of hacky way of doing doing things, but it's working. How much Mocha knowledge needed for Cypress? Depends on what you are trying to do, but I think it would be good enough if you know how to pass data and stuff. Okay, Mocha is independent of Cypress. Protector, nah. Hello, Nightwatch, JSO, WebDrive, IO. Not really. Mocha is an independent project, um, but in Cypress, it's deeply integrated into Cypress. Yeah, Cypress documentation is really good. Yeah. Hi guys, this is how. Okay, I remember this one. Okay. So this guy is trying to click on this view project button of a particular tile, and he's selecting the tile based on this title, I think. And this is his implementation so far. He got one method called get project box. Let me zoom in if you can see this one. Project name. He's passing something called project name. I thought this is it was the name of this title, but you can see in if else conditions, he's checking if it is 1, 2, 3, and basically numbers. So he's passing the index of this tile, and he's trying to get the element. So he got like 20 else if conditions. So this is really not the way to do this one. I think you are really new to programming. So what you can do is first go through jQuery selectors and work on your locator strategies. See what's available and check these selectors out, and after that come to the question, create a method, pass the project name, pass the title, not the index this time, and you can use this parameter directly in the locator. Just replace this string with the project name parameter, and do whatever you need to do. Just get rid of all these ifs and else ifs. This is kind of obvious, if there are 1,000 tiles, I'm going to put 1,000 else ifs. So yeah, let's move on. How to validate sanity check with empty username? I need help. Okay. I saw a release note about this one. I don't remember what was it about. Okay, we are 4 minutes in. I guess this is going to be our last question. How to validate sanity check? I think he's trying to check if input tag is empty or not. So you don't have a value here, right? I don't know what this solution is about, but let's try to create something. Let's try to do it on Google. Let's go to Google first. CY visit, and we are going to my okay, Google Assistant started. Okay, now the solution was to get the element and let's capture the element first. I'm going to use the name attribute. I think we have to wrap this using square brackets. Okay, let's see if this is working. Let's type something first. Okay, let's get rid of that. This actually should fail because we're typing a value, but it passed, so this is not working. I think the solution is to, let's see, type have value, then uh, pass the value you are expecting. Now in this case we should get test, this should pass. If I type something that is not there, this should fail. Yep, it's taken some time and now it's failed. Alright, now all you have to do is pass an empty value, and this time that input tag is going to be empty and it got fast. So this is the way you should check that input element, email element or whatever is empty or not. Okay, I think this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.